Yo, what's going on, my beautiful Homo sapiens? This is going to be the first episode of this little mini course I've created called Money Basics, Building Your Financial Foundation. And today's episode is going to be on why you need a job, and if you have one, why you need to keep it. And I do want to first address that there's like this kind of like anti 9 to 5 movement, or like people just having a really negative outlook on just having a job. And it's a really harmful like state of mind. You got to start from somewhere, and to make the best of it, just try to choose happiness every single day, because 99% of us are going to have to work a 9 to 5. You know, that's just reality. Money is everything. So let's get right into it. So first, the job is going to provide us with a steady flow of income, which is really going to be the lifeblood of our entire financial operation. So that's just a no-brainer right there. It's what we will start to budget. We will start to save, build emergency funds. This is just our starting point. More importantly, and why I really made this video, is for employment history. And these two combos, income and employment history, is what the credit card companies and the lenders are going to look for once you are starting to look for some of these financial opportunities. And this is not something I really had an emphasis on when I first started working, is that you really want to stay, your gaps between your employment really do want to be pretty thin, if that makes sense. Because they're really looking at, is this person going to be able to pay me back? So the gaps of coverage is kind of sus. Like they really go into that, like the reasoning, and you really want to start having that employment history and that income come in, so you can start applying for these credit cards and building a good credit score. But I'm going to have entire different modules on optimizing credit cards, and mainly if you are looking to buy a house in the future ever, you are going to need solid employment history and solid income come in, so for these bigger purchases. It's going to be the lifeblood of our entire financial situation, but I just felt like I needed to address this due to the whole counter movement of just having a 9 to 5. Pretty basic stuff, but the one emphasis that you can take away from this video is that just to pay a little bit more attention on your employment history. I would just recommend just getting the best opportunity you can find and just staying at that place for as long as you possibly can. Or if you're gonna switch, which isn't bad, like if you have a better opportunity, just make the switch immediate. Don't really just go unemployed for a while if you can't, if you do have the cushion or the means to do so. Is basically what I'm trying to get across. This is going to be it for the first video. The next video is going to be on saving and budgeting. We're going to be going over the importance of emergency funds and keeping your money in high yield savings account. But more there. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this one, you'll probably like this one too. Anyways, see ya.